Welcome back to We Here Now. I'm X. Let's get to it. So, um, in crypto, Bitcoin surges past 97,000 amid trade deal optimism. Bitcoin's price soared above 97,000, marking a 3% increase as optimism grew over potential trade agreements between the U.S. and China. This surge coincided with a rise in U.S. stock futures, reflecting investors' confidence in the ongoing negotiations. Uh, as you guys may know, we are past 97,000 right now. But more about that once I actually get into the signals. So let's move on. Let's move on. U.S. Federal Reserve maintains rates amid stagflation concerns. That's not good, guys. The Federal Reserve decided to keep its key interest rate steady at 4.25 to 4.5%, citing a solid economy and job market. It won't be like that for long. However, Fed Chair Jerome Powell expressed concerns about rising inflation and unemployment risks, indicating potential stagflation. The Feds the Fed signaled a cautious approach, preferring to wait for clearer economic signals before making further policy adjustments. All right. Uh, go, Going on to the stock market, S&P, blah 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 blah. So, U.S. dollar weakens as trade negotiations progress. The U.S. dollar experienced a decline against major currencies amid ongoing trade negotiations. Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent and U.S. Trade Representative Jameson Greer are set to meet with China's top economic official in Switzerland, fueling hopes for a resolution on trade tensions. I don't know about you guys, but I'm tired of all of this. All of this. Going on to gold. Gold prices rises ahead of Fed decision. Gold prices climbed to a 2 week high, supported by safe haven demand as investors awaited the Federal Reserve policy decision. Concerns over potential U.S. tariffs on pharmaceutical imports and post holiday buying from China also contributed to the increase. That was a lot. That was a lot. So, like I said, let's just bring it up. Let's just bring it up. First, the S&P 500. What is going on? So, a few days back, I believe the last video, I found this double bottom pattern. But where did I find it is the question. Oh, I found it on the 2 day. Found it on the 2 day. So right now, price is respecting this trend line, well, this pattern. And it's actually looking like, let me just delete this so we can see. We can see. So, is this the 12? Is that a 12-hour trend line? Yeah, it looks about right. So, price is holding. Price is holding. If this candle continue to stay green and engulfing, we might be looking at a breakout on this trend line, on the 12-hour trend line. Where does that lead us? Yes. So that leads us That's actually where you were supposed to get in a way. Yeah. So yeah, so breakout on the 12 hour is soon. It's soon. What does the 6 hour look like? Yeah, the MACD on the 6 hour looks very bullish. Looks very, very bullish. Looks very bullish. All right, moving on to a bit of coin. A bit of coin. All right, all right. So, yeah, we're almost at 100. We are almost at 100. I made this pattern. It's been holding very well, very well, very well. Um, I was actually thinking that price was actually going to fall based on this pattern. But I might be looking at it wrong. I might be looking at it wrong. This is how I was looking at it. This is how I was looking at it. I'm trying to pull up the actual pattern that I was thinking. Bear with me, guys. Bear with me. I'm on the other screen. I'm on the other screen. Uh, yeah, something like this. That's an expanding triangle. I'll pull it up, guys. I'm about to pull it up. I'm about to pull it up. Something like this. Something like that. Because once you, let's see again. Like one of these. One of these. So, this one. There it is. You see it? Yeah, so this is what I was thinking that price was going to do. However, we still have some time. We still have some time. Let me get out of here. We still have some time. Blah, 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 blah. Get that, get that out of there. Yeah, so we still got some time. But in the meantime, Bitcoin is looking very, very well. It's looking very good, very good, very good. On the 3 day, how does it look on the 3 day? We got 2 days left. 2 day meaning we actually got a day left. Yeah, it's looking good. It's looking good. So that means everything else is looking good. I see all green. I see all green. Ooh, Sui up 6. Ooh wee. Look at that. Look at that. What about H bar? It ain't the best, but it's getting there. It's getting there. The breakout is here, guys. That's a little flag right there. Then boom. Let's see what else. What else? What else? Sheep. This was one of the first things that I bought last year. When I was trying to learn how to trade, this was one of the first things. It's actually one of the first crypto, well, meme coin videos was sheep. And of course, I picked it up because it was the cheapest. Because it was the cheapest. That's a beautiful reversal pattern forming. This is the cookie cutter reversal pattern. Cookie cutter. Cookie cutter. All right. Let's see. All right. Let's get into some actual. Let me see. Do I want to check on something else? Some actual signals. Some actual signals. Might be short today. It might be short. So we have CNI on a 3 day breakout. on a 3-day breakout. Boom, there it is right there. And this is CNI. I think I said CNN, but it's CNI. It's CNI. All right, so that's one. We have CAR on another 3-day breakout. Happen. Wait for continue. Oh, okay. So it broke out already. However, it's going to do like a just wait on the continuous pattern, which is like a flag or something. That's what I have in my notes. Just wait. So I know price is going to come down to at least here. So once it reverses out of here, that's when you would get in. That's when you would get in off the 30-day EMA. All right, CME. I believe that's the stuff that owns the futures market and stuff. Well, it says finance. Yeah, it says finance. Anywho. CME 3-day breakout, which is that, of course. So with that being said, it's looking like we want to come down. Well, at least touch this EMA. Looking like price wants to touch the EMA and then boomerang back up. That's the trade I will be looking for. I'll be looking for that trade. CMS. And now this is on a 2-day. Huh. Do I? Is this a diamond pattern? Man, this is a diamond pattern. So basically, when in a diamond like this, you get the swing highs up here and the swing lows. And if it's looking like this, it's going to come back down. It's going to come back down. Yeah, that will be my prediction for this one. Now that I'm seeing it on here, I did my notes on the phone, so bear with me. So that's what I will be looking at. That's what I will be looking at. But the MACD is showing that it's going to continue to go up. And I believe the diamond pattern is like an uncertain or something like that. The trades, so boom, 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 something like this. Yeah. So something like that. That's what I'm seeing. This is what I'm seeing. Let me write that in my notes actually. A bearish diamond. So yeah, so we need some time on this one. We definitely need some time on this one. What else? Arizona and New Hampshire officially now have a Bitcoin reserve. So that's good news. That's good news. All right. Let's see about this. Abbott. This is on a 12-hour. Yeah, so this is on a 12-hour. So, of course, we'll be looking for a break right here on this trend line on a 12-hour. Or on this trend line right here. And if that happens, it's going to continue to fall back down. Uh, yeah, it'll fall back down. I'm guessing it'll fall right here. Yep, fall right there. Just because this is a double fair value gap. This is the first one. And then it'll come right down there, blah, 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 and then right here, and then reverse. That's if it goes that route. That's if it goes that route. Let's see. CI. 3-day. It's another short. And this is on the 3-day. So, of course, we got our trend lines up already. Now, this is the big fair value gap. Price has been rejecting this area for a while now. This is a channel up. So, in a channel up, it tends to fall down. Or a channel down, it tends to fall up, hence the flag. All right, yeah, so looking for some type of entry down in here after the trend line break. And this is on the 3-day. Now, I have a few more that's not the best, but still some time left. Some time to get in. It's another short. This is another short. This is actually a good short. So how I got this, I saw the flagpole, then boom. That's how I looked at it. So if price does fall down, I will be looking short to 205. Why did I pick 205? Oh, that's why. Because the breakout is going to go about the 205. It's going to go to 205. And it might wick to 205. All right. Moving on to GEHC. Um, 12-hour. What does that mean? What does that mean? Oh. Boom. So another short. So be on the lookout. Excuse me. Be on the lookout for this short as excuse me. Be on the lookout. All right. German or Garmin or however you pronounce it. I think it is Garmin. Is it in? Yes. 6-hour trend line. Man, this looking like a flag as well. Or it could be a double bottom. Yeah, it could be a double bottom off that and then going back up. But we will see. Let's look at ADP. 2-day head and shoulder.